Ito ngayon, match lang yan, mga plus mo rin. Tanongin mo si Kuya Pog. Tanongin mo si Kuya Pog.
Bro. Dito sa pasos bro ah. Nakaila yan. Damdama, duty pants mo. Isagana mo yung ibagbagi.
Hindi na nagsuot mo.
Maigpit kasi yan.
Yes.
Tris diretso bro ah.
Marami sa penalty. Good.
Tuloy boy. Yung sa kabila. Nanapit pa na. Oo, sabihin mo tayo. Sir.
Hello. Okay, busog na. Pwede na uling mag-ingay. Second game.
Hindi maubos na kain.
Titans versus Ayuda. Ngayon, pataasan ng tagay ang laban.
Ano yun naman na sa'yo?
Ito na. Napili na ang unang lima ng Laklakers. Number 24, Ricky De Torres. Number 4, Elson Santos. Number 14, Peter Pelaez. Number 21, Vic Viernes. Number 12, Leo Pagsinuhin. First 5 ng Ayuda. First 5 ng Titans. First 5, Titans. Okay, ito ang unang limang player ng Titans.
Anong number to? Anong number to? Nako, ako pa ang tatanong. Sasalamin na ako eh.
Maritoni Gregorius. Number 32, Rolly Duga. Ay, hindi, mali. First 5 ng Titans, si Maritoni. Number 71, Elmar. Number wala, Tantonic. Number 10, Hans Manalili. And number 13, Albert Ramos.
Sasalamin na ako eh.
Okay, let's do this.
Ayuda.
Tapos na. Natanggit na. Paalala lang ulit sa mga nakaupo doon sa kulay puting bench, hindi po yan steady, huwag niyo pong sasandalan.
Yung katawan na tignan nyo, huwag yung bola. Huwag kang mapasok kasi
Dio. Oh, shout out.
Boy, boy!
Nono, ano masasabi mo?
Naka-uniform
Erisian.
ka na. Anod ka na dito, Minang.
sa'yo pa itong pagkain na ito? Di ba kung saan?
Kakainin ng pusa eh.
Ano, okay na?
Pakipirmahan lang po ang ating waiver.
Wala! Ba't nandiyan ka? Ha? Ba't nandiyan ka? Hindi, alis ako eh. Kapirma na kayo dito? Hindi kayo
Papirmahan niya si Deo. Tristan, papirmahan mo si Deo. Ito, hindi na makahinga yan.
Si Teo bukod sa pirma, Tam Mark. Bali dalawa yung kay Teo Bukod sa pirma, may Tam Mark pa. Para sigurado lang.
Yung sa ayuda, nakapirma na? Walang pirma, walang laro ha?
Biyernes.
Big, paki-sign lang.
Big, porkit Huwebes ngayon, kailangan bumirma.
Waiver.
Ano naman ang ano?
Waiver, yung ganun. Nagwe-wave.
Okay na.
Okay na, nagkapirmahan na ng waiver ang bawat kupunan. Umpisa na natin to nang masimula na. Let's start the ball game. Ayuda Laklackers versus Titans. Seconds muna at mamaya magkaaway na kayo.
Alam nila na na, pas tumawag ng timeout sa labas, walang pasit.
Alam na!
Pakialala lang yung timeout ng timeout.
Ay, paalala lang, sabat tsaka timeout, lumapit po tayo sa committee table.
Bubulong pa!
Ipupulong pa. Okay, pataasan ng tagay ang laban. Jumper. First possession, ayuda. And a foul committed by number 7. First, 27. Ano ba? Ay,
Malis.
lilito ako sa'yo eh. First personal foul, first team foul. Peter. First shot is too strong.
Go daddy, sabihin mo. Go daddy.
Hinain ng konti.
Lakasamukay!
Second shot. Parehas ang tama. Maring Lily playing as point guard for Titans. Maritoni, first shot. Ricky to Elson. Nakalaro na uli si Elson. To Peter hesitates, takes the three. Ayos ka lang dyan, videographer. Iyo, patay yung butiki eh. Pass break. Wala pa rin tira, wala pa rin shoot.
Yan ang malipat mo ha.
Wala pa rin na isushoot ang bawat tupunan. Tumira si Elmar, 3 points, no good. Ball landed on the hands of Albert. Albert fakes. Traveling. First turnover for Titans. Number 12. No good. Ball rebounded by Albert. Albert. Bothered by Ricky. Ricky steals the ball. Pass break opportunity. Ayuda. Ricky loses the ball. D'Antoni. Nice pass to Elmar, and that is the first 2 points in this ball game. Kuya Bogs. Peter to Biernes. Big man matchup. Biernes ng Merza. Albert rebounds the ball. Pass to D'Antoni. D'Antoni. Pass break play. Manalili. Maritoni! And Titans 4-0 run. Ricky goes all the way. Traveling substitution. Early substitution for Ayuda. Number 12 out. Epi in. D'Antoni to Elmar. Kuya Bugs almost loses the ball. Pass to Roman. Ricky De Torres all the way. And that will be the first 2 points of Ayuda. Titans 4, Ayuda 2. Maritoni inside to Kuya Bugs. Kicks out to Maritoni. Maritoni back to Kuya Bugs. Number 31, bothered by Manalili, goes all the way, uses the board. And we are now tied, our first head-up in the ball game. We are now tied at 4. All 4 na tayo.
Nice, Tune!
Ball number 24. First free throw.
May isa lang, may isa lang.
Second try, Maritoni. And that brings out the lead to 1 point.
Bigay!
Epi. All the way underneath the basket. No good ball rebounded by Ricky. Ricky. Foul number 24.
Kaya pa pala yung ating ano, tagal kumain ng ating videographer.
First shot is good for the number 24, Ricky De Torres. Tablaw ulit tayo. Our second deadlock in this ball game. Second try.
Baba, pusto!
Maritoni takes the shot. Ball recovered by Bong. Line ball. Substitution up. Substitution Titans. D'Antoni out. Edward in. Tabla pa rin tayo sa 5.
Libali!
Peter to Elson. To Ricky. Ricky takes the shot.
Go!
Pass break play. Nice pass to Manalili. Manalili shoot. Maritoni rebounds the ball. Aaron.
Santos.
Substitution Elson out. Fortunato in. Fortunato ko. Mr. Atoy ko. And Titans is now leading by 2 points as we reach to 5 minutes and 16 seconds of the first period. Bonus shot for Manitori is good, and that brings out the lead to 3 points for Titans. Titans 8, Ayuda 5. Peter bothered by Edward. To Piernes, Piernes takes the shot. Fortunato ko. Peter Picks. And that brings down the lead to 1 point. Titans 8, Ayuda 7. 4 minutes 52 seconds to play for the first period. Kuya Bogs receives the ball. Kicks out to Albert. Albert spins! Uses the left hand, no good! Ricky to Peter, Peter! Tirik na si Kuya Bogs. Substitution, tune in.
Yan, sila kay.
Anong tawag?
Blocking.
Blocking foul.
Ayusin mo ro, hindi mo nililipat. Yan o. Okay, noted. Sorry. Sorry.
Ilagay. Kumawag pa talaga.
Ayun na, inayos na. Pasensya na.
Kumakain pa. Na sa ating mga viewers.
Kumakain pa yung cameraman.
Galit na yun. Cameraman.
Kain ka muna.
Kain ka muna.
Umilalim, pre! Umilalim! Guard! Umilalim! Si Tunil lang yan!
Albert goes all the way. Uses the ball. No good. Ball rebounded by Ricky. Fast break play. Peter. Edward. Battered by 2 by Richards. Traveling. Substitution ref. The score natin 13-10. Ayuda is now leading by 3 points.
Galing pa Dubai yung tumawag sa'yo.
Ano, nanasan siya doon?
Peter escapes from the team. No good. Ball rebounded by fast break play. Substitution. Number 21 out. Time out. Ayuda. Score natin. Ayuda 13. Titans 10. Remaining time 3 minutes and 22 seconds. Time out Ayuda. Okay ka na? Busog ka na? Pwede ka na mag-videographer? Oh, sige.
Galit yung nasa Dubai.
Nasa Dubai pa talaga, no?
Tumawag ka. Ay, pinagalitan si... Ayusin daw yung cameraman eh.
Kumakain pa yung cameraman.
Ayos talaga sila kaya.
Wala na bang makita ang pogi?
Kaya pala eh.
Shoutout mo kasi sila kaya.
Shout out, Lucky! Back to the ball game. Ilang milyon na ba ang ating viewers?
Ayaw mo kasi sa camera eh. Pahirapan ka eh.
Okay, back to the ball game. Titans is still leading by 3 points as we reach to 3 minutes and 22 seconds of the first period. Traveling! And another turnover being committed by Ayuda, and it's their second turnover in this ball game. Asmar, first time in the ball game, pass to Edward. Edward launches a three. Rebound by Asmar. Another rebound for Asmar. First 3 points, Asmar. He scored 13-12. Number 27 takes the shot. Rebound by Maritoni to Albert. Nice pass from Albert. And Titans takes the lead. Titans is now leading by 1 point. 2 minutes 44 seconds to play for the first period. Ricky. Nice defense. And another turnover committed by Ayuda. And it's their third turnover in this ball game. Titans is now leading by 1 point. Titans 14, Ayuda 13. Substitution rep. Peter out, Elson in. Edward. Inside to Jun. Jun loses the ball. Ricky. Pass to Elson. Elson goes all the way. No good. Ball recovered by number 31. 8-second shot clock. Raden uses the ball for the 3 points.
May tambol pa.
Bumawi si Albert. Shoot. June almost loses the ball. Back to Albert. Albert. Pass inside to Maripoli. And we are now tied again. Another deadlock in this third deadlock in this ball game. All 16 as we reach to 1 minute and 42 seconds of the first period. Balikan lamang sa Ayuda. Edward, pass to Maritoli! Taglaw ulit tayo. And this is our fourth deadlock in this ball game.
Ganda na pasa, tunay.
Nice pass from Edward to Maritoli. And another good defense. Ayuda! Maritoli! Tama! Ayuda! Napatime out bigla si Coach George. Lamang naman ngayon ang Titans ng dalawa. Last 59 seconds tayo.
Galing mo si Tony.
Last 59 seconds tayo sa first quarter. Lamang ang Titans ng dalawa. Meron na naman saling pusa.
Meow!
Paulin yun, Paulin. Pag ganyan.
Shoot! Saglit, may saling pusa. Okay, back to the ball game. .59 seconds to play for the first period. Titans is leading by 2 points.
Hoy, yung pusa, sipahin nyo.
Suporta, Carl! Suporta, Carl! Oh, yan! Pumista ka lang diyan sa tabi. Oh. Yun!
Ricky. Blocking foul. Manong Ginobili. 14 foul Titans. Warning for penalty.
Go!
10-second shot clock. Ricky launches the ball. Recovered by Edward. Asmar to Albert. Albert uses the ball. And it's a 4-0 run for Titans. Titans is now leading by 4 points. Montejo receives the ball. Bothered by Maritoni. Ricky. Blocking foul, Asmar. Penalty. Last 10 seconds for the first period. Ngayon, binago ni Ricky ang kanyang angulo.
Press! May ball pa tayo!
Second try, last box out by Maritoni. Albert receives the ball. Last 5 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Pitch pass. Still 2 seconds. 2 seconds pa rin. Hindi Demo Titans! Hindi na bago ang oras, walang nakahawak ng bola. Titans is now leading by 4 points. 2 seconds to play for the first period.
May mantika na ako doon tatitlo.
Sakit ang pala.
Back to the ball game. Last 2 seconds. Bola ng Titans.
Mahaba pa yan. May baba mo pa ang bola.
Maritoni, quick shot! Basket count!
Twenty-six. 24. Animal lang ako. 24.
Biglang lamang ng 6 ang Titans na shot by Maritoni. Quick shot. Okay, 3-point shot tayo para sa mantika. Bigas. 3-point shootout. Sinong gusto sumali sa 3-point shootout? Isang round lang tayo, ha? Isang round lang tayo, ha? Isang round lang po tayo.
Diba to? Bigas.
Bigas tayo, bigas. Isang round lang. Isang tira lang. Okay, nakatali ng bigas si Joros. Congratulations, Joros.
Nabigas oh, bugas-bugas oh.
Ayun, ang nanalo sa 3-point shootout.
Kaya pala suot dahil walang bigas eh.
Mantika lang daw eh.
Okay.
Pwede ano?
Anong bigas yan bro? Anong bigas yan?
5 kilong bigas at saka isang balot na tuyo. I-claim mo lang yung tuyo sa Nesma.
Bigyan mo na.
Kaya nga, hindi na kailangan sabihin na kukusa yan.
Sabi, hindi kasama yung player pag-tripo eh.
May kasama tuyo yan ha. I-claim mo sa Nesma. Pagkitin mo lang yung pangalan ni Menandro. Okay, back to the ball game. Second quarter.
Uy, saan ka? Naka-live ka? Saan yan?
Sa T3 Hoopers.
3 hoopers po.
Bola na ano? T3 Hoopers.
Okay. Rolly First time in the ball game will inbound the ball for Titans. Tonic receive the ball. At inilipat na ang araw sa bench ng Ayuda. Albert. Hindi nagkaintindihan. Si Kuya Dugs nasa loob na.
Yun! Baba mo! Pasagad! Oh.
Score natin 24-18. Peter. On the way. Lakas ng tira. And that brings down the lead to 4 points. Titans 24, Ayuda 20. Albert kicks out to Apabo. Tonic. Rolly double T. Ricky De Tolis to Peter. Peter takes, goes all the way, uses the board, no good. Ball rebounded by Pablo. At dalawa na lang ang laman, and it's a 4-0 run for Ayuda.
Harap!
Albert to Tantonic. Inside to Maritoni. Maritoni, takeaway shot! Bola ng Ayuda. Ayuda ball.
Judel, tira mo!
Masyadong matikit ang bola.
Takbo!
Hirap, kami na.
Isang takbo! Yun!
Elson to Piernes. Blocking foul, Peter. First team foul for Ayuda. First personal foul, Peter.
Una palang basket.
Albert to Tantonic. Back to Albert. Albert to Apable. Nice pass to Rolly. Titans 26.
Pasok!
Monteo.
Counted yun! Counted!
Foul number 15. Babasa dalawang naman. Basket count.
Si Martone! Martone bounce! Martone! 15!
Foul number 32.
Dalawang foul na 15 sa 32 ha? Record mo yun.
26-24. Babasa isang lamang. Isa na lang ang lamang. 4-0 run. Ayuda. Maritoni goes all the way. Blocked by Viernes.
Oh!
28-25. Foul number 22.
Penalty!
13 foul. Penal 3.
Bago din eh!
Penal 3.
Mortejo.
Oy! Dito!
Pushing foul number 4. Second team foul. Second personal foul. Elson. Nice pass! Aaron!
Saan galing yung pasa?
Foul number 21. 13 foul Ayuda. Bonus shot, Albert. First free throw. Pass break play!
Bilis ni Peter.
Good. Very good.
Good, Daddy.
That's daddy dyan.
D'Antoni.
Si Mikay.
Rolly double D. He missed this time. Ball rebounded by Monteo. Monteo all the way. Baba sa isa lamang. Maritone shot is too strong. Rebounded by Ricky. Pass break. At lamang na ang Ayuda. Tama! Titans!
Mikay. Good, Daddy.
Napatawag ng timeout ang Titans. 6-0 run, Ayuda. Elson.
Parang luga na yung tinig ko. Sabi? Luga.
Dapat pag-usapan. Back to the ball game ang nagtama Titans. Titans. May mamasa-masang bibingkang naghihintay para sa Titans. Mamasa-masa ang bibingka. Manalili to D'Antoni, kicks out to Albert. Albert takes the three, no good. Ball rebounded by Monteo again. Another fast break opportunity, Peter. And Ayuda is now leading by 3 points, 33-30. Manalili takes out to D'Antoni. To June. 10-second shot clock. Nice pass. Blocking foul. Warning for penalty, Ayuda. First shot, no good. Second try. George. Traveling. Apple George.
Apple George.
D'Antoni receives the ball. Gives to Manong Ginobili. Ball number 31. Second personal foul. Penalty na ang Ayuda. Substitution rule. Monteo out. Metallica in. Metallica sa buhok.
Si Bernes yung kanina.
No basket line ball.
Wala to.
Viernes to number 22. Kicks out to Elson. Elson bothered by D'Antoni. Nice steal by Albert. D'Antoni all the way. Blocking foul. Body contact, Elson.
Third foul, Nelson.
Third personal foul, Elson. 5 minutes, 4 seconds to play for the second period. D'Antoni.
Line ball!
Stepping on the line.
Dami-dami, hindi na pa noon.
Second shot. No.
Tayo! Number 15 tayo, pusin tayo!
Pushing foul number 15. Pushing foul number 15. Maritone.
Reserve kami time out, pre, ha?
Sige, sige.
Almost a steal. Time out. Ayuda. Time out. Ayuda. Ayuda daw. Time out ang Ayuda. 4 minutes 52 seconds to play for the second period. Lamang pa rin ang tatlo ang Ayuda. Ayuda 33, Titans 30.
Shout out, Kuya Box.
Shout out, Kuya Box. Back to the ball game. Four minutes, 52 seconds to play for the second period. Ayuda 33, Titans 30. Ayuda is leading by 3 points. Baskat to Peter. Almost a steal, recovered by number 22. To Peter. Ball natin ako dahil sa Albert. Pass break. Maritone. And that brings down the lead to 1 point. George. And a steal. Maritone and Titans takes the lead. Titans is now leading by 1 point. Courtesy of Maritone. Plus a bonus shot. Titans 34, Ayuda 33. Substitution ref. Number 22 out, Ricky in. Number 22, Metallica out.
Good.
Good, John, good. Bola ng Ayuda, hindi tumama sa ring. Automatic violation. Symbol.
Martone.
Symbol.
Pre, layo! Huwag ka sa malapit.
Technical dito, lalabas sa
Viernes receives the ball for Ayuda. The tallest player. Alson! Rebound by Albert. Albert all the way on! Reaching foul. And it's a 4-0 run for Titans. Substitution, a second personal foul with Torres. Cantonic out, Edward in. Manoy Ginobili. Substitution, Maritoni out. Kuya Bogs in. And Titans is now leading by 3 points. Titans 36, Ayuda 33. 3 minutes and 58 seconds to play for the second period. Bonus shot! And that brings out the lead to 4 points. Pass break play na naman yan! And one! Foul counted.
Ay! Ah,
Substitution. Manalili out. Kuya Dukes in. Peter. For the shot is good for Peter, and that brings down the lead to 1 point. As we reach the 3 minutes and 55 seconds of the second period. Edward to June. June launches a 3 short. George receives the ball, bothered by Albert. Fast break play na naman to. Pushing foul. Number 24.
Third foul, Ricky.
Third personal foul, Ricky de Torres. Penalty.
Penalty na.
Substitution rate.
Dito kayo magtanong. Lang dyan.
32.
Substitution number 32 out. Sige, pasok. Substitution. Sige, sa palit na mga tao.
Dito kayo magano.
Di, ano mo siya, ano?
Substitution. Number 24 out. Number 12 in.
Paririk ilang pinasaban.
Kuya Bog, second try. Still strong. Ball rebounded again by Viernes. To Monteo. Monteo bothered by Rolly Double D. Monteo kicks out to number. And a turnover again for Ayuda. Albert, pinipit ang bola. Ball number 11. Hindi, yung basket, yung ano.
Di ba yan dito?
Oo, sa ngayon. Sa ngayon, ito.
Substitution. June out. Substitution. June out. Adsmar in. Last throw. Short ang pangalawang tira. Monteo to Viernes. Viernes all the way!
Kala ko slam dunk na din.
Penalty! Both teams are now in penalty situation as we reach the 2 minutes and 56 seconds of the second period. Score Titans 38, Ayuda 36.
Big o...
Go, Big Big! May bibig ka dito,
Big
Big
Big, oh.
Big! Go, Big Big! Go, Big Big! Go, Big Big!
2 minutes.
Woo! Yay! Wow!
Bound by Monteo. Kicks out to Elson. Elson fires a three. Almost. Edward recovers the ball. Pass break play. Albert goes all the way and he was fouled by number 11 again. Albert again at free throw area.
Oo, sabi. Sabi.
Substitution rep. Substitution for Ayuda. Sino palitan mo? Auditor. Auditor out. Substitution. Ayuda. Carl.
Good, Daddy. Tulog na si Mikay ah.
Mas ka lang, right? 2 balls lang yan. Dapat si Leonard.
Papalitan si Albert. At small! 2 minutes 32 seconds namang ng apat ang Titans. Yes, loses the ball. Substitution rep. Albert out. Time out! Ayuda! 2 minutes and 23 seconds to play.
Asinta ka mo. Asinta ka. Asinta.
Tayo. Lahat gusto mag-isip. Pero natin gusto mag-isip.
Basta laro lang ng laro. Sa fast break agad dito, pagka tinatrap daw, si Ramos lang naman na
Kita sa ibaba ko ang hula. Bakit ilalim dito?
ang bola nila na
Yeah, si Mikay oh. Shout out Mikay, Daddy.
Bola na.
Ayaw niya.
Bola ng Titans.
Depensa ka ngayon, Kuya Bog.
Asmar receives the ball. Edward. Inside to Maritoni. Maritoni picks. Block by
Foul rep.
who's foul rep?
Foul.
Foul number 21.
Puro sikam ilang ball na lahat. Sikam
Second personal foul. Big Biernes.
alam yung time yung ball nila.
2 minutes and 7 seconds to play for the second period.
Box out, Ray!
Second try. Maritoni almost rebounds the ball. A pass break play. Elson waits for his teammate. Pass to Peter. Peter goes all the way. And that brings down the lead to 2 points. Titans 40, Ayuda 38 as we reach to 1 minute and 48 seconds of the second period. Edward. Hacking foul. Number 10. Ed Chavez.
Pumasok ka na, Ryan!
Penalty na, Bog.
Penalty. Both teams are now in penalty situation. Edward. Lucky pump.
Pajulens.
Ano ba sila kanya? Wala.
Second try. Peter rebounds the ball for Ayuda and he was fouled
Kasi sila
by
nanonood.
number 15.
Butin, penalty ah.
Penalty.
Der! Deg!
Second personal foul, Maritoni.
Sa pakukuha sila sa point guard. Wala silang reserve player.
First shot is good. And that brings down the lead to 2 points. Titans 41, Ayuda 39.
Paano ang mga pagpapalala?
Second shot. Maritoni kay Edward. Nice block again by Viernes. 10 second shot clock. And a steal by Mateo. Fast break. Ayuda takes the lead. Ayuda is now leading by 1 point. Ayuda 42, Titans 41. 1 minute 4 seconds to play. Last 1 minute for the second period. Ayuda is now leading by 1 point. And Chavez receives the ball. Substitution. Rolly out. D'Antoni in.
Number 3, Edward.
Last 48 seconds.
Panood na ano eh, hindi matibay naman yun.
And Chavez first time in the line.
Edward, doon na lang sa labas.
Second shot. And that brings up the lead to 3 points of Ayuda. Ayuda now is 44, Titans 41. Last 48 seconds. Kuya Books to Edward. Edward, jumper, no good. Same pool. 40-second shot clock.
Tres Duarte.
Peter steals the ball. And another fast break opportunity. Ayuda. Edward tries to pass inside, intercepted by Viernes. Relax lang, Kuya John. Last 2 seconds. Last 2 seconds. 1 second.
Football pass.
1 second. 1 seconds.
Ang daming one yun ah.
1 seconds. No basket. No basket. No basket. Mag-receive pa lang.
Hindi ko na may babambula.
pala. Basket. Ano, ilalihok mo. Titans.
Dito ako, hindi dyan.
Wala na. Okay na.
Okay. And at the second period, P-Side score, Ayuda 44, Titans 41. Ayuda's leading by 3 points. Okay, 3-point shootout. Bigas mo na, 3-point shootout.
Ray! Saan si Ray? Saan si Ray? Hindi nakasama si Ray?
3-point shootout.
Hindi nakasama si Ray? Mga Sarani boys. Ito.
Ayun.
What team you are? What do you like? What team you like more?
Bira, gapa na.
Dan, shout out Dan. Kuya, ano, kumusta yung game? Parang ano dikitan
Dikit na dikit, parang malagkit.
Sabi.
Ayun, may nakakaawa raw ng LBF. Kailangan mo ng first aid? May first aid kami sa LBM dito.
Pag-awon niya ng bola,
Ano yung gano'n, alikos? Diba, napamboy pa siya eh. Nagpasa, siyempre, nakuha yung alikos sa
Okay? Ano ba? Wala si Bato. Minandro! Nasaan na si Minandro? Okay, back to the ball game. Third period. Bola ng Ayuda. Change court tayo. Change court, Ayuda ball. Big receives the ball. Bothered by Albert. Kicks out to Chavez. Chavez picks, launches the score 46-41. Lima na ang lamang.
Dadala ng bola ito.
Sinati ka sa likod, napakipat ha.
Nice pass inside.
Siyempre, dalawang pang yan.
Peter all the way, blocked by Manalili. To June. Back to Manalili. Manalili, jumper short.
Ganda ng block. Tago siya kay ano eh.
Dennis Roldan. Nabitawan ng sabaw kay Chavez. Chavez. Rebound by Roldan. Albert. He scored 46-43. Ayuda's leading by 3 points. Chavez. Chavez. Peter receives the ball. Defended by Maritoni. 10-second shot clock. Ricky. Launches the three. Shoot. Rebounded by Albert. Albert. Albert goes all the way. Traveling. Napadpad sa ibang ibayo.
Babae si Bik-Bik ko. Sa kabilang ibayo.
Binangga si Bik-Bik. De Chavez. Pushing foul. Pushing foul, June. First team foul.
Lalapit mo kasi yung mukha mo eh. Nagay mo nagtutukay ka eh.
Pa naman yun.
Kapasingit ka eh.
Ano kamay lang, trading. Pero ano, okay lang.
One ends.
Yung mukha.
Ricky
Bigay, bigay, bigay.
to Peter.
Yun!
Peter battered by Mananili and he was fouled.
Tatlo na, tatlo.
Foul number 10. Second team foul. Ricky battered by June. To Viernes. Viernes lays up, no good. Loloy. Substitution with Manalili out.
Huwag kang masyado magagalaw.
Loloy out.
Ang talo ulit. Sa palitan ko ng Diyos.
You have done enough, Loloy. We have seen enough.
Tama na yung pinakita mo, Loy. Okay na yun.
Time for you to sit and relax.
Relax ka lang. Huwag kang malikot. Pwede sa ilalim. Mas maganda ka magbabad sa ilalim.
Peter receives the ball.
Bigay mo. Yan! Tira!
Lopez play, Ricky. Block by Albert. Recovered by Peter. 10 seconds shot clock.
Wag kang tapaw. Kuha na pa ulit. Wala!
Mangyari siya. Pass break.
Football pass.
Roll down. Substitution. Substitution left.
Roldan.
Roll down out. Roll down.
Hinahinay lang daw.
Lamang pa rin ang isa ang Ayuda. Ayuda 46, Titans 45. 7 minutes and 22 seconds to play for the third period. Albert battered by Peter. Pass to Edward. Underneath the basket. Yun. And another pass play.
Go, Daddy!
Albert lunges at free. In and out. Blocking foul. Asma. Third personal foul, Asmar. 13 foul, Titans. De Chavez to Aris. De Chavez tumira sa tres. Recovered by Aris. Passing inside to De Chavez. 8 second shot clock. And a steal. Edward! At lamang naman ngayon. Ang Titans ng isa, palitan lang ng lamang. Pakitan lang ng lamang.
Tignan mo si Peter, pigang-piga.
Aris tumira sa tres. Rebound by Tune.
Tama, ganun naman. 10 seconds at last.
10 seconds shot left. Edward, jump in. Braden picks up the ball. Pass to Peter, tapo ng sabaw.
Time out.
Tama! Ayuda!
May bulong pa.
Akala ko tagay. Akala ko shot mo na.
Yung mamaranig ko, nilipitak na.
Ayan na naman, meron na naman tayo complain.
Ayusin mo daw yun na naman.
Bira, may complain. Eh, siya nga oh.
Sana naman.
Complain na naman to.
Lasing na natin sila.
Atay tayo
Hindi mo daw nakukuha na yung magagandang ano eh.
Di ba gandang anggulo?
Palit nga tayo. Oh.
Ikaw na.
Ako na ang magka-cameraman. Si Ray ang announcer. Pasensya na. Bira, dinimanda na tayo.
Dimanda na.
Eh, ako na ang magka-cameraman. Okay, sige. Over and out. Okay.
Ang tumawag yung viewer.
Yung viewer.
Nagagalit yung viewer.
Sa Canada pa naman, oh.
Naku!
Nasa Canada pa naman.
Sayang, may sponsor pa naman yan.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game.
Ikaw.
Hindi ako marunong announcer.
Sige na, basta i-announce mo lang yung oras, yung score, tapos kung ano yung ginagawa ng mga tao sa loob, kung anong ginagawa ni Minandro.
Okay. Inbound by Dan. Edward dribbling the ball.
Ikaw magano yung kasi
Sige na, tawag mo lang yung foul.
Pao Lares. Okay, buntik naman, may steal. Ramos. I'll try. Antunik. Pass to Ramos. Ball by Bernes. Tony, driving the ball. Foul by Ares.
Substitution rep.
18 seconds.
18 seconds shot clock. Ito, dalawa na trabaho ko. Pambihira itong videographer natin eh.
Si Christian natin mo kasi tawagin.
Peter all alone.
Pupuliin ka bukas niyan. Oo naman si
Edward launches a three. No good. Picks. Takes the shot. Same ball. Score natin Ayuda 50, Titans 49. Ayuda is leading by 1 point. Maritoni recovers the ball and one. Ayan, Titans takes the lead.
Basket tayo, basket.
Basket count.
Morteo, third foul.
Montejo, third personal foul.
13 foul.
13 foul, Titans. 4 minutes, 8 seconds to play. For the third period, the Titans is leading by 2 points. Mateo Aaron! Gantong laban, tatlo ulit tayo. Substitution, number 21 out. At smart, fourth personal foul. 14 foul Titans. Tabla na naman tayo. Substitution rep. As for out, Junin. 4 minutes, 1 second to play for the third period. Tabla tayo sa 52. Montejo at free throw area will try to take the lead. Shot is too strong. Illegal. Entering too soon.
Hindi pa nangyari, pagkabantay mo.
And Ayuda takes the lead. Ayuda is now leading by 1 point as we reach the 4 minutes of this third period. Ayuda 53, Titans 52. Edward passes to a wrong man. Pass break opportunity. And Ayuda is now leading by 3 points. Ayuda 55, Titans 52. Nice pass! Isang lamang. Dikitan lang ang labanan. Ricky recovers the ball. Almost loses the ball. Pass to Mateo. To Elson. To Peter. Peter all alone. 3 points. No good. Ball landed on the hands of Albert. Nice pass from Albert. And Titans is now leading by 1 point. Palitan ng laman. So 3 points.
Right, time out naman kaya?
Albert escapes from the D. Time out.
Tama sila.
Time out. Ayuda. Time out Ayuda.
Third foul, fourth foul, Elson.
Fourth personal foul, Elson. Both teams, 14 foul. Score natin Titans 56, Ayuda 55. 2 minutes and 31 seconds to play for the third period. Okay, may bago na tayong videographer.
Score, score!
Ano natin viewers, ilang million ang ating viewers. Score natin, 56-55.
Ayan, sus, naruha kayo eh.
Okay. Back to the ball game. Ilang million ang ating viewers?
1 million.
15 million. Back to the ball game. Albert. Second shot is good, and Titans is now leading by 2 points. Ricky to George, and a steal, and a pass break. And a foul was committed by
Fourth foul, Mortillo.
Number 31, Morfeo. Fourth personal foul. Penalty na po ang ayuda. Substitution. Eto si Paras.
Para pinamigay, pre. Pinamigay.
Ramos for shot is short.
Galing talaga ng kutom mo, no?
Nagdalawa eh.
Galing talaga
Kaya
ng
sabi ko
kutom
sa'yo,
mo.
kumipus na ako. Ako, buro.
Ay, baby ka lang.
Peter picks up the ball for Ayuda. Battled by Albert. Pass break play. George! Pass break play. Titans. And Titans 4-0. Titans is now leading by 4 points. Titans 59. Pass break play tayo. Blocking foul. Number 15, Maritoni.
Saan nyo muna?
Nagkabanggaan.
Kaya? Peter! Kaya? Paul, blocking. Yeah, blocking.
Foul.
Ano yun?
Kaya.
Blocking foul. Penalty na ang Titans.
Peter!
Pwede mag-free throw ang iba kung hindi kaya. Kaya naman. Naipagpag lang. Binagpag lang.
Pahinga mo na, pahinga.
Sama. Pag na-shoot, champ. Pre! Wala na.
First shot is good. Substitution.
Hindi, yung thrower. Thrower.
Sige. Pag nakashoot.
Parang time out din yan eh.
Substitution. Peter out, Aris in. Baba sa dalawang lamang, 1 minute and 43 seconds. Dan Tonic to Maritoni. Inside to Albert. And Albert was fouled by number 14. 16. Number 16.
Third foul.
Third personal foul.
May ano sabi sa likod?
Mentis pa rin si Albert. Sable. Tumawa raw sa board. Nice steal by Maritoni. By George Albert. Nice pass inside. And that brings out the lead to 4 points. Titans 61. Ayuda 57. 1 minute 7 seconds. Ricky pushes the shot. Mabasa dalawang lamang. And a steal by Paras. Paras natapo na sa ball. And wala naman yan. 63 na. Free throw na naman si Albert.
Time out,
to
time out.
Peter Jose Altos. Coronado, total 63. Ayuda 59. Last 40 seconds for the third period.
Score 59-63. Lalabasan na lahat.
Bakit ako may tutok dito? Hindi kismisan kami. Hindi kismisan kami.
Back to the ball game.
Mas malalim pala yung dance lang.
Wala rin yung Dixon Dedan. Dito yung Brava.
Hindi lang talaga yung pabangse.
Albert, wala pa rin. Maritoni! Flash high for the rebound. And Titans is now leading by 6 points. Paras battle by Manalili. To Viernes. Viernes Pitts. Masses his way in. Ball taken away by Maritoni. Clubbing.
Pare, last shot na lang tayo.
Traveling last 20 seconds.
Hanap ng score.
Ay, 3-point shootout. 3-point shootout tayo para sa Mantika. Oy, ayaw ng Mantika. 3-point shootout, 3-point shootout. Isang tira lang tayo ha, para sa Mantika. Oy, Patoy, bigay mo sa nauna. Mahiya ka naman. Hindi ko mo ikaw nakakuha ng bola.
Pag hindi pumasok si Rodriguez ba, may minus kami. Ayaw pumasok eh.
Wala.
Huli ako, asdo ako to.
Papasukin ka. Huwag lang sobra sa 15 papasok. Wala problema.
Huwag lang sumampa sa 15.
Kaya nga baka.
Di baling kulang ang pumasok.
Ayun, si Ustad nakatali ng Mantika. May libre ang asa-asa, 1 kilo.
Asan yung mantika?
May kasama yung 1 kilo ng asa-asa. I-claim mo lang sa fish market. Last quarter. Sabi naman, baka ma-complain na naman tayo. Ha? Kakadalawang complain na tayo. Bola ng ayuda.
Walang double.
Walang jumble kanina. Sakto yan, nililipat yan. Sakto.
Kinukuha ko kanina.
Walang reset.
Araw!
Hindi tayo nag-reset.
Ayuda ball. Nakaturo ang araw sa ayuda.
Wala tong halong minutes dito.
Okay, lipat na yung araw.
Okay, nilipat na. Consistent ang paglilipat ng araw. June rebounds the ball. Albert.
Wala kami ginigilingan, hindi namin kilo. Wala kami marites dito.
Albert. Takes out to Tonic.
4 seconds.
4-second shot clock. 3 days violation. 3 days violation. Fast break play na naman natin. Putol. Sayang hindi na salo. Tonic. Tumanalini. Tumaritoni. Albert. Nice rebound and a fast break. Sayang na naman. Pangalawang pagkakataon, another turnover being committed by Ayuda, and it's their 9th turnover in this ball game. Albert back to Manalini. To the Tonic. Pushing foul. Number 10. First team foul. Second personal foul by Chavez. 67-59 pa rin ang ating score. June, back to Maritoni. To June. 5-second shot clock. 4-second shot clock. Four-second shot clock. Maritoni escapes from the goal. 69-59, 10 na lamang de Chavez. Tito receives the ball. And a steal by the Tonic. Nice timing. Manalini. Albert. Recovers his own lead. And Titans suddenly leads by 12.
Third foul. Ernest, third foul.
Third personal foul by Ernest. Substitution ref. De Chavez out. Montejo in. $71.59, 12 na lamang. Mintus pa rin si Albert, recovers his own miss, and na-rebound by June. June fakes, block. Foul June. Reach in foul. First team foul for Titans. Mortejo. Mortejo. Pabasa sa pool naman. Mortejo launches a three. And another reaching foul being committed by June. Fourth personal foul. Second team foul. Titans. Ernest receives the ball. And another turnover being committed by Ayuda. Manalini. Elvin. To Peter. Mortejo and one. Foul from behind.
Tonic.
Pushing foul, Dantonic. Warning for substitution, ref. Substitution.
Sure ball!
And that brings down the lead to 7 points. Titan 71, Ayuda 64. Nice pass, traveling. Baba sila lang. June bothered by, and he was fouled. Reach in foul number 21, 13 foul Ayuda.
Foul, Bernes.
4th personal foul Biernes. Dantonic. It's out to June. Back to Dantonic. Dantonic to Albert.
2 seconds. Nirelease good.
Good.
Foul.
Foul number 4.
Big foul.
5th personal foul Elson out of the building. Warning for penalty. Ayuda.
Ba't na ngayon na yung Bascar?
Lumalalim na ang gabi. Walang problema. 7 na araw ako walang pasok. Montero flies high for the rebound. Patrick! Maritoni. Maritoni recovers the ball. To Dantonic. And a steal. Maritoni. Nice pass.
Bakit nag-reset yung shot clock? Bakit nag-reset?
Aris, Mendes. Edward. Peter tumira sa 3. Rebound ni June. 73-66. 10-second shot clock. June sa 3 points. Reach in foul. Time out! Unbelievable.
Tatanungin ko lang, ba't nag-reset yung kanina? Yung dito, natapik lang eh. Wala namang dead ball. Yung huling play nila, kaya nakashoot si Tune. Dapat shot clock violation tayo. Wala namang dead ball. Hindi naman, tapik lang naman. Nag-aagawan lang ng bola, pre. Hindi naman nag-loose ball. Hindi naman nag-loose ball. Sama naman, diba? naman ang gusto. Hindi dapat magre-reset sa 14.
Foul number 22, second personal foul. Back to the ball game. 4 minutes and 41 seconds to play. In the fourth period.
Alin?
14 ball na, Titans. Tito Biggs, take the shot, and one. Babasa. Penalty. The score, 73-68. Babasa 5 lamang. 4 minutes 26 seconds to play. Ball landed on the hands of June. Jump ball, bola ng Titans. Edward.
7 seconds.
7 second shot clock. 2 seconds. Bola ng Ayuda. Aris launches a 3. Mentisa. Ball intercepted by Mortejo. 3 minutes and 34 seconds to play. 73-68. Titans is leading by 5 points. Seventeen second shot clock. Piernes who bounced the ball for Ayuda. Dribbles. And a steal. No. Blocking foul. Penalty. Fifth personal foul, June. Out of the ball game. Penalty. Second shot, no good. Three minutes, 6 seconds to play. Lawang ang Titans ng 7, Titans 75, Ayuda 68. That break to Asmar. Asmar. Albert Biggs takes the shot. No good. Maritoli.
Penalty na, buti yung penalty.
Penalty.
Foul. Big foul. Morteo, pay foul.
Fifth personal foul, Morteo, out of the ball game.
Wala na ba magic robot? Kaya rin. Hindi talaga nasayang ang pera mo. Hindi naman ako papayag. Ang galing mo talaga.
May saling pusa. Guard pusa, pakitadyakan. Pakamapakan niya, pakamapakan. Comment this time out, comment this time out. O sige, yan lang, sige, sige.
Malalim ang bench ng
And Titans is now leading by 8 points. 2 minutes 44 seconds to play. Brianna's dribbling the ball. And a steal again. Pass break. Albert. Sa punal naman. 68-78. 2 minutes 30 seconds. And a steal. 7. Iyan lang. Tamat! Ayuda! Okay, 2 minutes and 27 seconds to play. Back to the ball game. Titans 80, Ayuda 68. Titans is leading by 12 points. Both teams are now in penalty situation.
Tingnan natin solid.
Angamos, Antonic. Ricky Vitulas nagmamadali. Dinire-diretso. Last 2 minutes. Substitution. Asmar, fifth personal foul. 5 na si Asmar. Last 2 minutes. Titans 80, Ayuda 68. Titans is leading by 12 points. Push up, Ricky, no good. Edward. Ten second shot clock. 6 seconds. Good, 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 good. People, 3 points. Eight to 68 pa rin, lamang pa rin ang 12, 1 minute 7 seconds. 10 second shot clock. At na-steal pa, turnover last 50 seconds. 5 seconds. Shot clock. Tuloy lang, tuloy. Last 26 seconds. Last 50 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And congratulations, Titans. Our official score, Titans 80, Ayudas 68. And our best player of the game. Congratulations, best player of the game, Mari Conning.
Ano kita? Kamu kami.
Best player of the game, Mari Conning. Congratulations.
Wala akong wala. Ninakaw niya lang yung kinukuha. Hindi lang yung tinubos niya.
Oh, yung mga kon nyo.
Memories yan, ay.
Dong brother, huwag mo kalimutan yung ano mo.
Ay, pucha. Buti na may bigas ako. Pagod, buti na may bigas ako.